Guys, last part, well, part 4 of 8. So we're going to be halfway through the series. So yeah, let's go. First pack. Come on, give me someone good. So far we've had players like Lavezzi, Thiago Silva, some decent players. I reckon we've got a couple of 100k of players so far. And we're good. Next pack. Well, it's decent rated. It doesn't go for anything, but still not bad. Gives us hope, I suppose. Right then, we'll go into our next pack. Says it loads, okay. Right then, let's go. Oh, come on, Messi. Can we get Messi on the inside of the pack? He's on the outside. No, but we get no one. Yeah, no, I really want to get that. You know, I especially want Bale. I really want Bale. I'm not gonna lie. He's a player that I'd love to have in my team. Out of all the players that I've got, I think I'm gonna do a bit of a hybrid. But I'm not sure. Not a very good player there. Guys, if there isn't any C in the pack openings, even if he's not worth anything, like let's say Danny Welbeck for instance, if you want him, just tell me. Something like that I will just simply give to you. I'm not gonna lie, and then I'll email you, tell you details and stuff for my Xbox, and then yeah. And that one we get the Pepe from Juventus. Juventus got a lot of good centre backs. They've got Barzagli, Chiellini, Ogbonna, Pepe. I'm not gonna lie, guys, but I think if you're looking for a cheap team that's very good, we're talking like 100k ish, I would definitely go for a Serie A squad. Because you've got players like Buffon and Chiellini who are both under 5k. And we get Jordi Alba twice now, guys. That's good. We're both like 5k. So like, it's quite a cheap team. Then you got a lot of good players who are quite cheap as well. You probably get one for about 70, 80k, which is, if you haven't got the money, then just open some packs. That's what I do. So in the next pack, we're gonna get Sergio Ramos. That's very good. And Ronaldinho. Very good pack there, guys. Very happy. That was a very good pack. So now we've got Ramos and Thiago Silva. So now we're going to our next pack. Come on, got another good player. We just got Sergio Ramos. Who we're gonna get this time? Got Hatem Ben Arfa again. Now all these players that I'm putting on the transfer list, you can ask me for them. Because I'm not going to sell them, I'm just going to keep them there and then just give them away. I think at the end of this video I'll show you my transfer list. Just to let a few people, look, see if you want the players on there. It's up to you. And then we've got De Jong, it's decent. I'm going to put most players on the transfer list, guys. If nobody claims them, then I'll keep them probably or sell them off. But I definitely want a really good player like Tim Cahill's my lucky now. Crossing my fingers, gonna get a good player. Come on, guys, come on. And we get. Oh my god, we got Van Persie. Yes, we got Van Persie. Oh my god, yes. That is amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. That is really good. Very happy with that. getting some very good players, guys. I'm very happy. Just going to our next pack. Anyway, guys, I'm going to do another 12,000, so tune in for that, obviously. I hope you're enjoying this one. You know, getting some amazing players. I'm not going to give away Van Persie, although actually I might. I'll post in the comments who I'm giving away, because obviously there's a lot of players that I can give away that I've got, who I've won, you know, so obviously there's a big choice, because I can give you about 200k worth of players now. So yeah, make sure you keep tuned in. And we get Matt Jarvis. Hasn't been doing too well this season. I think he's good in game though. You know, I've used him a couple of times in cheap squads that I build. That's another thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a 10k squad builder, because they are really fun teams to play with. If you get like people like Matt Jarvis, you know, people like that, and they're actually really good players, but they're just discard price, and they're amazing. So yeah, I'll do that. I'm very happy what we've got so far. No, we don't do that. Right then. So we've got 1,250 points of this part 4 left. What I'm doing, guys, I'm just recording this all in one, but I won't put it up as one. I'll put it up as 8 different sections. So we're gonna get a next pack and we get no one. What I found though, guys, is when you get a good player, if you watch it, I don't know yet. The octagon things, whatever they are, they're all close together. If you get a good player, or rare player anyway. Oh, last pack we got Van Persie from Team Kale. We're gonna get his time. That wasn't very good. Wasn't very good at all. Well, we'll get rid of that, and we'll get Messi. And who do we get in this one? We get. Oh, that's a very good pack. Oh, we get 5,000 coins. I think is that 5 or 4? 4,000 coins. It's alright. Let's quick sell that. Right then. Come on, we want that player, don't we, boys? Come on. We want a good player. Who are we gonna get? Got Tom Cleverley. Not doing very good this season, to be honest. No. Next pack. We've got about 3 packs left. Yeah, we've got 3 packs left after this one. Now I'll show you my transfer list, players that I'm giving away. Obviously I'm giving away, you know, the Thiago Silvas and all them as well, but they're going to be this special giveaway. Whereas the ones on transfer list are the ones who you can just ask me for, and I'll say yeah. But if it's more than one person asking, I will just pick one at random. Another Team KO pack. Come on, give us another player like Van Persie. We get. That wasn't very good. Just quick shout out to them. 2 more packs, guys. Now we're going to skip the last 2, just because I haven't skipped any, really. The other one we did skip, we got Joe Hart, so. And we get Jay Gravis. Now let's do that. Let's go to them. Oh, last pack, come on. Come on, yeah, give us someone good for the last pack. Come on, Kale. Come on, DZI. And in the last pack, we get. Who do we get? That wasn't very good. That's 1,000 coins. It's decent. Okay. Right now, let's get to my transfer list, and I'll show you who I've got on there. Right then. These are players that I'm giving away. Someone can have Wallace if they want. Current bid on him is 8,300 coins. That's good. Now I'm going to give away these players plus others. Let's list him, which I'll list him after. Right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and tune in for the next one.